I just started walking and it just started pissing down with rain. Look. Can you see the rain? That's my local church over there, but I don't go to that church because, well, I don't worship. Well, it doesn't matter. So anyway, that's the church on the corner. And it's pissing down with rain. I wanted to go to a nice place, but now I have to wait for the rain to stop. I might see a rainbow, maybe a double rainbow. Oh, can you see the rain? It's actually pissing. Pissing down. Do you know that nursery rhyme? It's raining, it's pouring. Oh, it's so windy as well. It's so windy. Check it out. Oh, I'm standing under a tree. It's so wet. I might have to abort and go back home. Oh my god. Yeah, I think so. Might abort and go home. Oh my. I know. I've got a rain jacket on and my rain hood, but I don't know. Oh, it's so wet. Oh, I have to turn the camera off. Bye.